Oh shit. Here goes the mission. Let's go, baby. We jumping down. Jumping down. Oh shit. I gotta cross the highway next. Wish me luck, guys. Ay, the shit I get the fuck myself into. Shit. It was a success. I made it across. Playing Frogger with these motherfuckers. Yeah. Ay. Now it's time to fix this flat on the side of the highway. Shit, my life is great. Fuck off. I'm done. Slow down there, buddy. Making progress. Fuck, now it's the spare tire. Making progress. Now we gotta get rid of the spare tire. We gotta get this shit down. Okay, there we go. All right. What a night. Leverage, baby. Okay, my superhero. Oh shit. Alright, guys. Here's the fucking update. The spare tire didn't work. I took out the spacer, that didn't work. So I had to pull the shit back, and I had to call a tow. State police came. He was kind of cool. He said, call tow truck. It'll be cheaper. He was trying to look out. I mean, I was just gonna ride the fucking baby Tesla and do laps around this bitch, but I guess not. You know what I mean? We out here, baby. About to fucking head to Fall River and get this shit on and popping, baby. Came to put in action, boy. Ram. Good. The tire popped.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, so then I took everything off, and then I tried putting the spare tire, and the spare tire don't fit. And then it has spaces. I took off the spaces, and it still didn't fit.
So you just put this one back
yeah.
on? All right.
So it will be a lot easier to try to tow it, you know?
All right, my friend.
Yeah.
Where you going, Fall River?
Fall River, yeah.
Where in Fall River, bud?
They really don't. I don't know. Where would be a spot where I can like leave it there and it won't be considered an issue? Because my boy in New Bedford got the spare tire, but I'm just trying to, you know what I mean, trying to make this. The Dodge. Boom. What's the moves? We out here in the tow truck. My guy came through. Yo, what's the name of your company?
All day, all night.
All Day, All Night Auto. Towing. From Fall River. Solid people. Came through clutch. Saved the day. Facts. Shenanigans. Oh, he learned how to use his blinkers. Look at him. Does that look like straight driving to you guys?
He's trying to get away with the cops up there.
Oh, yeah. He's scared for.
I don't want to see them.
Yeah. She's about to fucking do a wall grind. Ram. We out here. You know the vibes. Right there. The heroes.